Okay, are the quantities of coins available on the plans increasing with the quant system integration? Good question. So this person is asking regarding the pricing we have, because if you go to pricing, so that is likely to increase. It's not been confirmed yet. We first want to launch this and kind of see how it's received. But I would say if we do increase it, it would be likely sometime early next year. So I would say in Q1. So possibly January, February, meaning that right now, hodler plan gives you access to top 20 market cap coins, investor gets you to top 100, and professional gives you access to everything, right? So if we do change that, that would likely change, right? This could be maybe top 50, top 100. This could be maybe top 250 or top 500, and this will give you everything, right? But this will definitely, I mean, it's going to be a win-win for everybody. There are no L's with the new quant grade in terms of offering more value, right? We think this is a huge value add, especially if you factor in the alerts. Getting email alerts when the changes happen, or getting text alerts when the changes happen, that's a game changer. I think people are actually going to sleep on that, because now you don't have to be glued to Token Metrics. I mean, yes, give up Netflix for Token Metrics, but if you're still watching Netflix, we'll send you a text message to make that trade or investment, right? But either way, we think this is going to be a huge, huge value add to our customers. So be sure to join at tokenmetrics.com and use the coupon code we'll send out during Black Friday.